Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another unboxing, but today we're going to be doing a Quick Souls unboxing. So I brought this set and we're going to be opening it. So let's get right into this. Alright, the first thing we have is this. And then these. It's so hard. We got these. Oh yeah, guys, I'm sorry that I made a Pokemon video, another one, but it didn't upload. We got this. Alright, so let's get right into this. I'm sorry that my videos are so short again. This is what came with it, and then it came with the axe, and then this. And you open this. We have this, and then we have these. We have these two, and then these four. Two of these pads. So I made one. Wait. I made one, and this is how it looks like. I made a little heart, and this is how it looks like. It's like rubber on the back. Yeah, guys, that's all for today. And then the Pokemon cards that I got, I forgot to tell you guys, are like these three, which that's in the last videos. And tell me in the comments if I forgot to do something. So yeah, that's it for today, guys.